How to Get Your Florida Real Estate License by MLS Campus. 6 quick steps to get licensed. In this quick step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of obtaining your real estate license in Florida. We will go through the education requirements, real estate license exam requirements, application process, the cost of getting a Florida real estate license, the background and fingerprint checks, and finally, how to find a sponsoring broker. Keep watching to learn more. To start your new career as a licensed Florida real estate agent and perform real estate activities, you are required by law to have a Florida real estate license. Once you become a licensed real estate agent, you can legally perform duties such as sourcing and interviewing prospective clients, assisting with property listings, accompanying clients to view properties, discussing conditions of sale with your clients, and assisting in drawing up real estate contracts. Once you get your Florida real estate license, you must work under the supervision of a licensed broker. Getting a real estate license in Florida may seem like a daunting task, but you can quickly start your new real estate career in just 6 quick steps. You must first meet the eligibility requirements to obtain a Florida real estate license. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have a high school diploma or GED. You must be of good moral character. Now, let's move on to the steps to get licensed. Step 1. Start your 63-hour Florida pre-licensing course. The Florida Real Estate Commission, FREC, requires applicants to pass an approved 63-hour Florida pre-licensing course for sales associates. This course consists of 19 chapters covering all topics you must learn to pass your end of course and Florida state license exams. You will learn about Florida real estate law and legislation, federal and state fair housing law, property ownership, rights and transfers, agency law including agency duties, disclosure and authorized relationships, contract law, and much more. Step 2. Apply for your Florida real estate license. You must be licensed by the DBPR to conduct real estate services. The DBPR takes around 1 month to process your application, so it is best to submit a completed application while you are progressing through your Florida pre-licensing course. Remember to include payment of the application fee, $39.37, and any supporting documents. You can apply online through the DBPR website, www.myfloridalicense.com. Step 3. Get fingerprinted. You must submit digital fingerprints in order to apply for a real estate license in Florida. Fingerprints must be submitted to the Department of Business and Professional Regulation, DBPR, for background checks. Appointments can be scheduled through the Pearson VUE website, www.pearsonvue.com. Step 4. Complete your course and pass your pre-license course final exam. You must pass your course exam with a minimum grade of 70%. The end-of-course exam will include 100 questions. You will have 3 hours to complete it. You will receive a certificate once you pass your exam. You need your course certificate and your application approval to complete the next step. Step 5. Schedule and pass the Florida Real Estate State Exam. The state exam appointment can be scheduled through the Pearson VUE website, www.pearsonvue.com. The exam fee paid to Pearson VUE is $36.75. The state exam is a 100-question multiple-choice test with a passing score of 75%. You will have 3.5 hours to complete it. The state exam includes 45 questions based on the principles and practices of real estate, 45 questions based on Florida real estate law, and 10 questions to test your mathematical aptitude. If you fail the state exam, you may retake it as many times as necessary. You must wait at least 24 hours before scheduling a retake. Step 6. Find a licensed broker or brokerage. To activate your real estate sales associate license, you must be registered under the employ of a licensed broker or brokerage. This decision should be made carefully, as different brokerages will offer sales agents different commission splits, incentives, and benefits packages. Does Florida have real estate license reciprocity? Florida has mutual recognition with 10 states. Florida's mutual recognition states are Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut, Georgia, Illinois, Kentucky, Mississippi, Nebraska, Rhode Island, and West Virginia. You may apply for a Florida Sales Associate License or a broker license under mutual recognition. You must take the Florida Core Law exam at a Pearson VUE testing center. If you have any questions on how to get a real estate license in Florida, please get in touch with us. www.mlscampus.com/contact-us. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.